California Gold Rush was integral in my family moving to California. This is a picture of my great-great-grandfather, John Cooper, who came with his family soon after the gold rush started in 1850. The Coopers stayed in Northern California in the Santa Rosa area for quite a few generations until my grandmother came down to Southern California in the 1930s. This long-lasting family influence in California has embedded in me a love of the state and a love of the history that has made the state so wonderful. As you can see, we're typical Californians. We've learned to surf, not very well, and have learned to really love the beauty and wonder of California. There's no real family story of how my family came to Santa Rosa, but it must be obvious that the pull of gold and the lure of California was one of the reasons. One of the great things about living in the Folsom area is I live really close to Sutter's Mill Gold Discovery Site, and it's a great place to explore the California Gold Rush. Here in Sutter's Mill, you can see all the flyers and all the hoopla that went to bring in hundreds of thousands of people to find their riches in the California Sierra Nevada.
Here I am in the American River at Sutter's Mill Gold Discovery Site. And just like the Penners almost 175 years ago, I'm here trying to see if I can find my flakes of gold. And if you look through the river, you can actually see more closely little flakes in the water. But it's a lot harder than I thought. We go try to pick up just ourselves with our hands, trying to get those flakes to stick to our fingers. But as many of the miners found themselves when they came here to find their riches, it was nothing but rocks.
One of the great things about this site is it acknowledges the native peoples that lived here before and at the beginning of the gold rush, where you can see where they lived and worked. Fun thing about coming to Sutter's Mill, you can also go to their demonstration site and really engage yourself in the gold rush of the 1850s. Gold may have brought many to California, but its weather, its resources, its beauty is what kept so many to stay and make this state their own.